for that. We are almost coming to
gwikururia kwa marihi mathire uria thirikari iri naguo wa ngwataniro ya cabithia a mabuku ni umwe wa maundu maria maracungiriria mathina kuri ngwataniro ino, na thire ucio no ucungiririe gwikururia hari ucabithia wa mabuku ma grade 10. Kuringana na ngwataniro ino maratanya kugia na woiguano wegie ucabithia wa mabuku macio ica ikuhi niguo gutigirira mathomo macio ni makinyanira mwaka turorete wa 2026.
AI is helping publishers to streamline content creation, enhance editorial workflow, translate books, make data-driven decisions, and even help our marketers and distributors.
The International Book Fair has become not only the East Africa's largest and most important gathering for publishers, booksellers, authors, and readers, but also a platform for making friends and exploring cooperation opportunities.
Makiaria hindi ya monanio ma mabuku maria mandikite na magacabithia, ngwataniro ino icakaite thogora wa iguru wa magoti maria marihagira kuria moritie thirikari kweheria magoti macio niguo mahote gukinyaniria mihang'o ino gutari na mihinga.
Publishers are still owed substantial amount of money by the government, and recently when we had a press conference, we urged the government to speed up and prioritize payments so that we are able to proceed and print, distribute, supply books for grade 10 in time for school opening in January 2026.
KPA oho ni maniriire kuhimbiria teknoloji ya AI hari wandiki wa mabuku niguo guthaitira maria maturigiceirie na ningi makoria muingi kunyitanira uhandi-ini wa miti.
Booksellers, authors, and readers, but also a platform for making friends and exploring cooperation opportunities.
Oho ni moritie muingi gwitikira kugura na guthoma mabuku iri ta njira ya kumatha na kuongerera ugi.
There is no friend as loyal as a book. That's so true.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njuguna.